let us discuss questions related to depreciation. On 1st April 2015, Atul Glass Limited purchased a machine for rupees 90,000 and spent rupees 6,000 on its garage, 4,000 on its erection, means on its installation. On the date of purchase, it was estimated that the effective life of the machine will be 10 years, and after 10 years, its scrap value will be 20,000. Prepare the machine account and the depreciation account for 4 years. And after providing depreciation on fixed installment, accounts are closed on 31st March every year. First of all, we have to calculate the amount of depreciation. So then the formula to calculate the amount of depreciation is total cost of the asset. Total cost of the asset is 90,000 plus 6,000 on its carriage and 4,000 on its installation or on its erection. It means the total cost of the asset is 1 lakh माइनस स्क्रैप वैल्यू. स्क्रैप वैल्यू क्या होती है? जो एंड में यूजफुल लाइफ के बाद उसको सेल करने के बाद मिलती है. एंड द स्क्रैप वैल्यू इज 20,000 and the useful life of the asset is estimated is 10 years. It is given the effective life of the machine will be 10 years divided by 10 years. 1 lakh minus 20,000, 80,000 divided by 10. Then the amount of depreciation is 8,000. Now, we can also find the rate of depreciation. Amount of depreciation 8,000 divided by total cost into 100. That means 8% depreciation is charged on the asset. 1 lakh into 8%, okay, that is 8,000. अगर आपको परसेंटेज गिवन है तो देन हम टोटल कॉस्ट इज 1 लाख एंड 1 लाख पर अगर हम 8% कैलकुलेट करते हैं तो देन द डेप्रिसिएशन कितना आएगा? 8,000. विद द अमाउंट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन वी कैन इजिली फाइंड द रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन. Machine account. The first entry when the machine is purchased on 1st April 2015. Then the entry is asset account debit to bank, machine account debit to bank 90,000 and to expenses. जो एक्सपेंसेस हैं आप इनको अलग से भी शो कर सकते हैं और इसी के साथ 1 लाख डायरेक्टली भी आप शो कर सकते हैं. मशीन अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक. हियर मशीन अकाउंट इज डेबिटेड. वी विल रिकॉर्ड ऑन द डेबिट साइड बट वी विल राइट टू बैंक अकाउंट. 6,000 and 4,000 आर एक्सपेंसेस एंड जो मशीन की वैल्यू थी दैट इज 90,000. But the total cost of the machine is 1 lakh and we will calculate the depreciation on the total cost, that is 1 lakh. And the rate of depreciation we have already calculated. Total cost minus scrap value divided by useful life or estimated life, that is 8,000. And depreciation is calculated at the end of the year. April 1st है तो then at the end of the year means 31st March and 2016 year change हो जाएगा April to March 31st. Then the entry is depreciation account debit to machine account is credited. Here we will record on the credit side, but depreciation account debit to machine. So we will write depreciation account 8,000. Then balance. Total of the debit side is 1 lakh and credit side 8,000. Then the balance is 92,000. 31st March by balance carried down 92,000. And on April 1st, 2016, this balance 92,000 is brought down. April 1st to balance brought down 92,000 and depreciation 8,000 वो हम सेम रेट से ही इसको एवरी ईयर चार्ज करेंगे. 2017 at the end of the year March 31st 1 lakh into 8% or 8,000. Now the balance is total of debit is 92,000 and credit is 8,000 and balancing figure is 92,000 minus 8,000, that is 84,000. And in the next year, in the third year, this balance is brought down here. 1st April 2017 to balance brought down 84,000 and 31st March 2018 by depreciation 8,000 and the balancing figure is total of debit is 84,000 and credit side 8,000 and the balance is 76,000. And in the fourth year, this balance carried down is brought down on 2018 April 1st. To balance brought down 76,000 and depreciation is 8,000 and the total of debit is 76, credit is 8,000 and balancing figure is 68,000. And in 2019 April 1 to balance brought down 68,000.